Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to create an arrangement using my second favourite. I keep saying it's my favourite vase, but I've got a few favourite vases. But this one I really like, and it came from a charity store. And what I like about it is it's quite retro. It's a 70s German pottery vase, and I just love the colours and the textures. It's quite funky. And what we've got is we've got a nice branch, we've got some large autumnal leaves. Now these are actually off my grapevine. I've got some chrysanthemum, and this is one that I've got growing in the garden, and it's just stunning at the moment. It's absolutely covered, and this is one stem, so this is quite interesting material to use, and it was really what made me think, like, let's do something with it. And I've also got this leaf. Now this is a canna leaf. What I did was I wanted to see if they would dry. So you know, strelitzia leaves are fantastic for drying. They create really nice shapes. I wondered if the canna would do something similar. So I've trialed a leaf, I hung it up, and it has gone into quite a nice shape and quite a nice style. So we've just coloured that with gold spray paint just to give it a highlight. So really we're picking up on the colours that are here and making like an autumny colour schemed arrangement, but keeping the actual design quite simple. So what I've done is I've filled this with water. The benefit of that is it's giving us some weight, but it's also the water source for the flowers. And we can just start with our branch. So the great thing with this branch is it's got a beautiful line, and we can work with that. Now, you could have it either way. What's nice is it's got this little hook, so it can sit quite well. We could have that quite deep in or sitting out. It's quite interesting. But we just wanted to have this quite simple. So we're just going to use these leaves really to create a little bit of a collar. Now, I think these would be quite interesting. I really must get hold of some glycerin and to see how that would work for glycering autumn leaves. I've never really tried it, but I think it would be quite interesting. So we've got our container, we've got our leaves, we've got our branch, and that's creating the base for really showing off our chrysanthemums to the best. And just want to give that a wee tidy up. This bush is so round and dense, the bees are absolutely loving it, that the leaves on the inside are actually dry because they've not had any light. So we'll just tidy that up a wee bit. And we need to just see how best to work this. Now, I just think this is fabulous as it is, and it seems a real shame to split it down. So I'd really like to just keep it as one unit, would be brilliant. So we need to have a wee play. So straight away we've got a real focal point for our design, and this colour in the centre of the chrysanthemum is picking up with the leaf, which is really, really nice. Now, we just need to think about where to place our leaf. So we've got a beautiful shape here. We need to decide where best to place our leaf. Now this could actually come above it or to the side of it. You've got options. And then the good thing about finding materials like the canna and containing them and drying them is that you can keep them and you can use them again and again, which is really, really interesting. So essentially what we've done is we've created a large-scale design using not a lot of materials, but keeping it quite simple. Now, we could have cut down this chrysanth and made a different shape, but I actually quite like the fact that we see the nature of how it grows in the first place. So I hope you've enjoyed today's quick and simple design. If you have, then click here to subscribe, tap the bell and you can keep up to date with all our latest videos, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.